Pardon? Yeah, $100.
Lubang pa lang ilako yan.
Oh, it expired, sorry. That's why I like it. I'll see you tomorrow.
Ito?
Yan, kita ang nandun yan.
Kalit, 40 ba yun? 40 na yun.
For the box, yeah. The roller tool, the handle right there in the front. So throw your junk in there and just roll it. Yeah, you. Sturdy and strong. How much is one ball? 40. 50 with a jack stand.
I need more than that.
Yeah. You need more than that. Nice.
Service charge.
Are we good? Like insinuating, right? I'm like, $2?
I'm stopping right here.
You already went through that.
But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
I just don't want to get into this.
So what, where did, hey,
I gotta go.
was that one a new one or was that
Stay or they can afford it because more expensive than just walking around.
Oregano.
Hey, what do you call this?
Oregano.
Oh, it is. Oh,
Oregano.
just for cooking,
this
yeah?
one, for cooking, for what? When
Wow.
you know what that thing, good for your, if you have a lot of ant, you go plant around, you be scared.
Oh,
You
really?
get away.
Wow.
You know ant,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
you go away for your house. You smell us like a strong smell. You get
Yeah.
scared.
Well, you know why I get one in my backyard,
Yes.
and it grows out so much, and I'm like, what am I supposed to use this for?
No, that one.
I use it for in-house. I use it inside the house.
Yeah.
Then I bring outside, and I planted it inside. I mean, outside in a packet.
Okay.
It grow out really big, you know.
You go look, no, be scared. The ant be scared. You go away.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, you're smart. You know,
You know what he told me? That the Hawaiian he told me.
Oh, really?
Now no more ant in my house.
Oh,
Now I took to. No more ant to myself. Now no more.
Oh,
Easy
really?
to grow.
Oh, yeah, it is. It grows out really
Yeah.
easy, you know. It grows out real good.
Yeah. If you want, I give you $3 for two. This is good kind of.
What about this one?
$7. Cold.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, yeah, cold ones.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
Oh,
Cold
okay.
look. Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? This one,
No, this is good. This is plenty.
I ordered for the guy.
Yeah.
He take off the skin. He charged me
Yeah.
$1 to take off the skin. Sana mga so I gotta make at least $1 now.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I paid $1. I paid
Yeah.
I gotta pay $5 and then
Oregano.
$1
Man,
I make.
I'm so happy that you told me
Yeah, that
about
one
this.
is good though. If you have that
Yeah.
kind, the ant, you know, way in the house.
Man, thank you so much. Oh, healthy looking
No
one.
need.
It looks really healthy.
You want to know me? I was noticing.
Yeah.
My friend, I have one old man,
Hmm.
a Chinese guy, is working in the laboratory.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
He's one of the extra for Hawaiian 5-0.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
known in Kanswati long time ago. But now he's almost 100 years now. He's still alive. He
Wow.
retired. He's selling in the beside and the can.
What does it do with he drink and stuff?
Yeah, he make, because
Yeah.
he going to the school, to laboratory.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, he making that. He said,
He boiled the stuff and then.
I'm looking beside me.
Mm.
I'm drinking 8 years now. Ano sick?
Oh, you drink for?
Ako na 8 years now.
Oh yeah.
So I will plan too.
Yeah,
He give
yeah.
me the seed, I plan.
Oh yeah. The
And I'm
plan looks
drinking
pretty
8
good.
years. Ano use natin?
Oh really? Yeah.
I'm 74. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to you again.
Yeah.
I'm just walking around. Thank
Yeah.
you. How are you doing, sir?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Oh, 120.
Yeah.
That answers my question. Oh, nice. Heavy.
Yeah, rim set.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, sir.
Like she worked for 2 weeks, then now she gotta go back to school. So she wants to love it. Beautiful Vietnamese girl. Oh.
What is this thing?
Huh?
What is that?
Electric fan.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Lyston.
Wow. Never seen this before.
600 in the store, yeah, but they say
Oh.
we sell only 60.
Really?
Very expensive though. Very strong.
How much you sell this one for?
Look how much you sell this?
Oh, that one is 35 for 2. That one is what you call cutting.
Direct spark. Yeah, reminding you have to drink. 35 the two?
It's an Itro, yeah. Oh, it's heavy. Heavy duty, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sure.
Meron pa. So 4. This is 5, 6, 7. I have more.
follow me. Yeah. You know good. Ông ơi, nó phải 200 rưỡi tôi kiếm vài đồng không ông trả.
Very nice, see you. Oh,
Có thằng Lào á.
this day.
Hey, this is actual cheesecake?
Yeah, cheesecake.
Wow, really?
Yeah, cheesecake.
You know how much it is?
599.
Oh, okay.
Dali lang po ha. Hintayin niyo ako. Lapit na to. Faster!
What's up? Don't forget.
Yeah, wag ka.
Una nga.